How to turn off navigation on Roblox. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So you might be playing and then randomly this happens. So it says UI navigation is enabled and you can't move anymore. And when you press WASD, you just can't move. So that is actually very annoying. Now, how can we actually turn this off? Well, you can actually press escape and then you can go to the settings. Or actually to help, and then here you can see basically all of the keybinds, and here it says UI selection toggle and it's set to \. So that is the key under backspace and above enter on your keyboard. Now that we know that, we can actually go back and it is already actually fixed. But now from now on we know that when we press accidentally \, so under backspace and above enter, this will actually pop up. And if you immediately want to turn it off, click it again, and now we can actually move. So yeah, that is basically it. That is how to turn off navigation in Roblox. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.